Hi friends, today we are going to learn another one important part of the sound, that is the types of sound. Sound produced by the vibration. This is the main source. Vibration of a body can produce sound, but this vibration sometimes may be periodic or regular or aperiodic or non-periodic. If it is periodic, then there will be some important features of it. If the sound is produced by the regular vibration of the musical sound, then that will be melodious to our ears. And also the sound produced by the clapping, or a person when beats the drum but he did not know how to run the drum, how to beat the drum, that means the sound is also produced, but that will be not melodious to our ears. So depending on this, either the sound is melodious or not, either the vibration is periodic or not, depending on this, sound may be of two types. So the first one type of sound, first one kind, on the nature, on the basis of the nature, the sound may be of two types. Number one, the musical sound, and number two, that will be the noise. The musical sound is produced by the regular vibration or the periodic vibration of a vibrating body. That's why the sound will be melodious. It has particular, definite loudness, pitch and quality. The three important characteristics of the musical sounds are here, and that is specific. But in case of the noise, it is produced by the irregular vibration of a body. So this is not melodious to our ears. Another one type of sound, depending on the frequency or depending on the audibility. That means the sound is produced by the vibration, but we do not hear this. That means either the sound can produce sensation in human brain or not. The flapping of wings of the mosquito can produce sound into our ears, but the flapping of the wings of the birds cannot produce the sensation in our ears. So depending on this, the sound may be of two types, the on the basis of frequency. There are two types of sound. The first one kind of sound is here, which can produce sensation in human brain, that is called the audible sound. This is called audible sound, and the frequency for the human being lies within 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. Any sound having frequency lies between 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz, the can produce sensation in human brain, audible sound. Number two, the inaudible sound. Inaudible sound. So there are two options in case of the inaudible sound. Either the frequency is less than 20 hertz, or it is greater than 20,000 hertz. So the sound that cannot produce sensation in human brain is called the inaudible sound. This inaudible sound may be of two types. The first one is the infrasonic sound. This is called infrasonic. Sound. The sound having frequency less than 20 hertz. Having frequency less than 20 hertz. And another one kind, that is the ultrasonic sound, and the sound that cannot produce sensation in human brain having frequency more than 20,000 hertz. Is called the ultrasonic sound. There are important some uses of the ultrasonic sound. This ultrasonic sound is used in different purposes. For the medical purposes, it is used in USG, ultrasonography, to see the clear image of our internal body parts or internal body organs, internal organs of our body. Also, this ultrasonic sound is used in navigation. Also, this ultrasonic sound is used to clean the electronic objects, electronic gadgets are cleaned by using the ultrasonic sound. There are different types of uses of the ultrasonic sound, but only in case of the infrasonic sound is used by some particular animals like kangaroo, the rhinoceros, the dolphin. They communicate between themselves by using infrasonic sound. Okay, these are the different types of sound. This musical sound, graphically we can represent this. In case of the graphical representation of the musical sound, let us consider a musical sound, the graphical representation of it. It is produced by the regular vibration of a body. We can represent this by using the displacement time graph. This is the musical sound having no distortion. This is capital T. The periodic vibration of it can produce the sound. This is twice T, and so on. This is the musical sound, graphical representation of the musical sound. And similarly, we can represent the noise graphically. How can you represent this noise graphically? If there is a disturbance or the distortion in the graphical representation, then the vibration will be aperiodic or non-periodic. This is not melodious. The sound will not be melodious to our ears. In the graphical representation of it, let us consider the graphical representation of the noise. There will be some disturbance or the disorder in the vibration of the body that can produce sound. This is T1 and this is T2, not similar to the musical instrument. This is the disturbance. This is the disturbance or the distortion. Okay, this is the disturbance or distortion. Graphically, this is the difference between the musical sound and the noise. Also, another one type of sounds are here. Sometimes the sound produced by clapping, or when we make some sound by using our fingers, or when we make some sound by sneezing, then the sound is produced, and also it can produce sensation in human brain, but it has no syllables. It has no syllables. कोई syllable नहीं है. বাংলায় কোনো মাত্রা নেই, মাত্রাহীন শব্দ. This is called non-syllabic sound, but as it can produce sensation in human brain, so it is also called the short durable sound. This is short durable sound, or this is also called transient sound. Transient sound. Okay, transient sound or non-syllabic sound. Non-syllabic sound. Non-syllabic sound. Like the sound produced by whistling, by sneezing. When a baby is crying, then the sound is produced and it can produce sensation in human brain, but it has no syllable. This is called the non-syllabic sound, transient sound, or short durable sound. Also, another one type of sounds are here which has the number of syllables, like any word. Beautiful, beautiful, there are 3 syllables. Harmonium, there are 4 syllables. These are called the syllabic sound. These are called syllabic sound. These are the different types of sounds, and ultrasonic sound, infrasonic sound, uses of ultrasonic sound, uses of infrasonic sound, differences between the musical sound and the noise. In this video we learn up to this. In the next video we learn how does sound propagate through the medium. How does sound propagate through the air medium? What will be the nature of the sound wave when travels to the solid, when travels to the liquid, when travels to the gaseous medium, like very common medium, air. In the next video we will learn this. Today up to this. Okay.